Folks, your air ducts are collecting more than just dust bunnies. It's time to call Marshall. Allergens, odors, hair, dust mites, and yes, even dead skin cells are all messing with your family's air. That's why you need a posse you can trust. Marshall Cleaning Service has been family owned and operated for over 10 years, serving the greater Knoxville area with 5-star Google rated service. We're NADCA and BBB certified. That means we clean the right way and at a high level. No bait, no switch, just upfront pricing and guaranteed satisfaction. Our state-of-the-art truck mount equipment ensures the deepest, most thorough cleaning of your air ducts, ridding your home of unwanted dirt and grime. Scheduling is as easy as riding into town. One call and we'll take care of the rest, including a full system inspection for every cleaning. Call Marshall Cleaning Service today, because dirt's not welcome in my town or in your home.